What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Civic remote key fob. This Honda Civic key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now I actually find it's a little bit easier to open the key fob with a flathead screwdriver, but I'm going to show you how to do it with just the emergency key in case that's all you have available. So I'm going to hold the key fob like this, and taking a look at the bottom of it, I'm going to take this part of the emergency key and come in here and push it in there like that. So when you have the end of the emergency key in there like that, I'm just going to take the key and twist it like that. As I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Then hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and pull the back cover off. And now I'm going to use my screwdriver to carefully get this battery out of the holder. And this is the part where a flathead screwdriver really works a lot better than this. But what I'm going to do is come in here and just very carefully get under the edge of the battery and help pop it out of this little holder like that. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to come in here and tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. If your circuit board's moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like it needs to be, and then we can snap the two halves back together. And these can take a good amount of pressure. Sometimes they snap together really hard, especially if they've never been apart before. But get that snap back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.